Hello, Bulldogs. I'm Kelly James, and I want to thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself to you today. I have had the pleasure of working in education for over a decade, and I'm really looking forward to moving on to the next step of my career in education. As an educator, one of the most important things, in my opinion, is to build a solid, trusting relationship with the students, with their parents, with your colleagues, and anybody that you'll be working with. I feel that when you don't have these type of relationships, when you don't have trust, moving mountains can be really difficult. But once you get that trusting relationship built, everything is possible. In a moment, you're going to see a letter from one of my former students who one thing she wanted me to know was that she does not like math and neither does her mom. And she used to tell me it's because it's so hard. So we worked on that throughout the year. And about mid-year, she was able to let me know how she felt about me. But not only that, that she now loves math. I also have a student who would come in very angry and frustrated often, and he would love to give me a hard time, but I kept working with him, never gave up on him. And day in and day out, he would thank me. Thank you, Mrs. James, for not giving up on me. It's those type of things that make me remember every single day why I do what I do, why I work so hard, why I come in with a fresh start and a smile every day, ready to tackle whatever comes my way. Because what I do and what we do does make a difference. It might be just to that one person one day. It could be your colleague. It could be a family. It could be one student. But it makes a difference. And sometimes that difference can be the difference between success and failure for that person. Teacher, it's always been important for me to continue learning and growing. This could be something as simple as my daily reflection or going to a conference on something new and up and coming in education. I feel that as humans, we all make mistakes. When I make a mistake, though, I always try to make sure that my students see me make the mistake, but also watch me learn and grow from it. And I feel that as an assistant to the principal, this would be an important quality to have as well. As a teacher, it has always been important for me to learn and grow and to continue doing so. Could be something as simple as my daily reflection or going to a conference on something new and up and coming in education. I'm human, so of course I make mistakes. But when I do, I don't hide it from my students. I let them watch me learn and grow from my mistakes. And I feel learning and growing from anything you experience in life would be an important quality for an assistant to the principal to have as well. As part of your team at Byron Center High School, I would bring the same passion for getting to know the people that I work with, the students, the families, the teachers, the staff, and building a trusting partnership with them. I would assist the principal in any way possible to make sure that all involved with Byron Center High School are able to build their own personal success story. I appreciate your time today, and I look forward to the possibility of being able to continue my career in education with your schools. Thank you very much.